You already know how to play. Oh, wow. Oh, there is a red robot.
This one's already.
What's the name of the red? Red rocker and the blue bomber. The bruising blue bomber versus the red rocker. Who's gonna be the red one? Who's gonna be the blue one, guys?
Red one.
How do you say red in Italian, guys?
Rosso.
And blue?
Blue.
Haha, that's easy, right? What do you think that goes in here? What do you think that goes in the two holes? There are two holes.
Oh, you're supposed to do this.
You're gonna put the robots in the holes? How do you say hole in Italian?
Buco. Oh, so first you do this. Okay, I'm gonna give Jacob a pugno right in the face.
You're gonna give a pugno, you're gonna give a punch right in the face. Vi tiri un pugno in faccia? Oh my god, it pops up. You see, guys, that's the part of the game. We are going to fight. And when the neck pops up, what does it mean? That the robot lost. Oh, you have to push down.
Oh.
Yay! You did it. Now the robot goes in the holes. Vane butti. Oh no, you have to put the platform. I think it goes the other way around. Checo. That's this side. Okay. Whoa! Oh! Oh my god! The red robot is down!
These guys have his head didn't pop up. They push a robot in. Oh, first.
Okay, so you are putting in your blue bomber. Is he throwing a lot of punches? How do you say to throw a punch in Italian?
Tiro un pugno.
Yes. And the blue one is down as well. Our blue bomber is down and his neck pop up. Il collo. And now it's down again.
Now we're gonna get the other piece. Oh no, the winner!
You have the winner.
Yes.
The red rocker is the winner. We didn't even start playing, guys. Iniziamo.
Oh, I'm punching you.
Yeah, you didn't put it in right.
Mine doesn't punch.
And you have to put stickers on as well.
Wait, what? What do we put?
What does the blue sticker say?
It
Does it say? Blue bomber? Are you gonna put it?
Get it! Guys, look.
Oh, you put that on? And are you going to put your sticker on?
This giant sticker.
Where does that go?
I can't push it in. So first I need to put a giant in. And now I'm need to put locker stock in robots.
Are you managing it? Okay, one winning.
I did it! Oh, come on.
Now you have to put the ring.
Now they put the sticker.
Yeah, on the back of yours. What's the name of yours?
Red.
Rocker. Is that
red.
rocker?
Red Rockstar icon.
You're gonna call it red rockstar. Rockstar. Rossa.
And I need a hand.
Yeah, we didn't realize that we had to put them right under the
So
plastic
guys,
so they
we
stay
need a
still.
little hand. Yeah.
How do you say food in Italian?
Piede. Look at your head popped out.
Food is piede. Okay, now how many rounds are we doing?
3.
Only 3 rounds?
Now we need to try to untangle this.
You put the ring all around. You're gonna push 2 in and break 1. Okay. How do you say 2 in Italian?
Do it.
Okay, hold and push. Yes, guys! No, let's start. How many rounds? I think we should do 5 rounds.
No, let's do 10. We need to go with this.
Okay, and this is going to be the fight of the year, guys. Is Bomber versus Rocker, which is Robert versus Jacob. Ding, 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 ding. Oh, 1-0 for Robert. We are gonna have 5 rounds, guys. Round number 2. No. Oh, the ring came down already. They're so rough, these players, guys. The second round. Ding, 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 ding. Okay, 2 points for Robert. And 0 for Jacob. Ding, 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 ding. Go, go, go. 3 for Robert. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. I think it's 4 for Robert. 5 for Robert. And Robert won the challenge.
I
Yay.
got 2. Hey, look, I did it 5 times.
You gonna give it another time? You wanna play some more, guys? Okay, play, play, play. Well, now it's not. Robert won already, so this is just for fun now. Let's see. Ding, 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 ding. Oh! Checo! Now that we are done with the challenge, ding, 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 ding. Oh! 4 up. That's a tie. Ding, 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 Checo.
5 for me.